Step 1. After wrapping the tape around the elbow, connect the three-way diverter to the elbow. You need to secure the locking collar with a wrench. Step 2. Wrap the threads tightly with sealant tape. Install extension shower arm and tighten the small screw on the end nut. Step 3. Screw square shower head onto shower arm. The shower head can be rotated 180 degrees. Adjust shower head to the suitable position with the swing buttons. Step 4. Install brass A under shower 1. Step 5. Install the water flow regulator on brass B, and then install B under shower 2. Adjust shower head to your desired position. 2 shower heads can be used together or separately. Control the water flow as you like with the water flow regulator. That's it.